So this kind of exercise, solve for, sometimes says solve for a specific variable or solve for and indicate exactly the variable they want you to solve. So in this case, the arrow indicates the variable we're gonna solve for. So AB plus B squared equals C. We need to solve for B. The only thing we have to do is we write the AB equal C minus P squared, because this P squared here is positive, we write it here negative. That's it. And then because it's solved for B, that means the B needs to be alone. We need to isolate the B. So it's gonna be B equal, the A is multiplying B, so it will be going down dividing. C minus P squared over A. And this will be the answer for the first one. This is solve for B. So then we have the equation of the line in a slope-intercept form. And now it's solved for X. So B, it's plus here, it's adding. We put it here subtracting. Y minus B, it's equal mx. That will be the first step. And then the m multiplying x, it goes down dividing. So y minus b divided by m, it's equal x. And that's it. That's the answer for this. Very easy. Okay, we're gonna isolate for B. We're gonna isolate the formula. So this is the formula of the trapezoid. You don't need to know this, but just to give you like a little bit more information. Trapezoid has a big base and a small base, and has an h, okay, the height. And the formula is this: B small base plus the big base divided by 2 times h, okay? So, but isolate for this. Step 1, we have this fraction. We just need to flip it to the other side. So it will be 2a divided by h equal b plus b. Sometimes other books put b1 and b2. It's the same, doesn't matter. You need to isolate for this. And now that you have this is positive, you go here minus. So 2a over h minus b, it's equal b. And that's it. That's the answer. That's the answer for this exercise. Okay, it doesn't matter if the fraction is a letter and a number, or it could be 2 numbers. It doesn't matter. The number that is down go up. So the 2 is dividing, go up, 2a. And the h is up in the numerator, it go down to the denominator. And then this one is positive, you go here negative, and that's it. So solve for L. We need to find L equals something. That's what we need to do. So this one is the formula, the area of the square. So we have in a square. This is L, this is L. So the area is L times L, because it's the same letter, we put L squared. So but you don't need this, just clarification. So here, the only thing we need is to isolate the L. And this is L squared. So what we do is a square root on both sides. So A equal L squared. So we take square root on both sides. We cancel the 2 with the square root, and this is only L. And then a square root of 8, and that's it. Done. L equal a square root of 8. That's it. What you do is the opposite operation to isolate the variable. Okay? That's it.